There's the bite. Oh, go, hook it, hook it, hook it.
Get another one on. Look at that.
Oh, that is a good one. Keep reeling, buddy. Remember how to do it. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Back up. Back up. Back up. There you go. There you go. There we go. Look at there, all in. Woo-hoo! There you go. There you go, little buddy.
He just picked one.
That's what he wants. Yeah.
The fish broke. Bad. It's not dead.
It's just here.
You want to keep it?
Yeah. Here. Look, put it in your bag. Y'all put it in your bag. Yeah, quit packing them around.
The most of them.
Bags keep falling through. Bag on my carrier. Okay, lift her up, buddy. You can fish till you, as long as you're under 18.
Dad, I got one again.
Oh, 12, 13. Oh.
I got one. Dad, I got one. Dad, I got one.
Oh, okay. Oh, you lost him. Here, fish this week.
It got my bait.
Yeah, she's 12, or 13. We just had her birthday.
I got it.
Let this guy do his. There, hook him. Oh, wait. Hook it. Oh. Now, there you go, Owen. Bring her up, buddy. Oh, yeah, he wants that one. Bring her up. Keep bringing it. Back up. Keep reeling. Whoa, buddy. Oh my God. Look at that. You do better than Dad ever did. Oh, right on.
Any water for you?
Hey, you guys need water? No, we're all right. Huh? We're just waiting for the second one. All right.
Tyler is? Oh, gee, that's him down there. Yeah. That's the second one there.
Yep, that's all for you.
Are you ready, Phil?
We're whacking them, we're cutting them. It just come out. There you go, Miss Keith. Okay. You're gonna knock.
Have you reeled it in again, bud? Reel it all the way in. Yeah. Put it back out there. Don't get it on there. Put it back out there. Oop. I have to redo that. That's too close. Go ahead and reel it all the way in.
right, Jason, get over here. Get you a big one.
Let it go. Yeah, we'll sink back down to the bottom where all the fish are.
There you go.
Keep reeling. Reel up some more.
I know, it's tough. Got him. Look at that one. Oh, it's tough one.
Reel up a little bit. Hold him.
Back here. Go. Good job, bud. ahead and reel it over there. Reel all the way up here. Ready to go back out. Way to go, bud.
Keep him on.
Ready? Looking out here. Fishing with Grandpa, so. Wait till you feel really taking it. Oh, we're fishing on the bottom. All the fish, the sunlight is really making black water. Power bait on the bottom. There you go. Start reeling. Start reeling. He's still on there. Reel. Reel in. He's on there. Just moving around.
Come over here. This arm right up here.
You got two of them, right?
You got two there, don't you? You got two?
He's talking to you. Go over there and talk to him.
My water.
He wants to see your fish.
You got two of them? All right. Good job. Those are nice fish.
Only thing I don't like about it is getting blood on myself. Fish blood.
Yeah.
If I got my own blood on myself, that's not fun.
Yeah, well, they'll clean them for you.
The big ones.
Like I'm trying to get rid of.
See, look at my fish.